Alright, 400 meters I have to turn. Oh. I'm sorry. Well, now you know why everybody's getting food poisoning. Frog. I mean, ultimately, it's the same difference. All the meat and vegetables, they all originate from the same sources, right? Unless if you are growing it yourself, how are you supposed to know where it came from? I need to go to the fucking bank. I'm gonna be at the mall in like 15 minutes. I've never been to this mall, so I've never been to this part of town. It's so fucking hot. See, 5G everywhere. Doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in the village or city, it's just fucking everywhere. So you just need to get EMF protection. And maybe unplug here and there. But I think the EMF protection is most important. I definitely do unplug now. But I'm also addicted to my phone, so, and Beauty and the Geek.